What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Arlie, aka Young Garlic. Sorry, I just hit a bunch of warheads. My mouth hurts. ah, excuse me. Good start to the video. Anyways, we are coming to you live, not live, but live at the time of this recording for another edition of our trading journal, where we follow me as a new trader as I progress through the world of trading and try to figure out how to do this sheet. All right. As always, before we get started, our links are going to be down below. If you're watching this on YouTube, please come check us out. Follow us on our socials. Come check us out on Discord. We do live trading, live analysis daily. We called out some bangers today. Riley called out several good calls on SPY. I think he went like 13 for 14 or something. Most of them were 80 to 100% bangers. He's getting really good at SPY. Chaos Options, shout out him. He called out some really good ones today. He called out a Tesla call that was nasty. Drew had some good ones as well. That's just a few of our mini analysts here who call out bangers. But anyways, this is going to be covering today the 2nd, and then what day was Friday? The 29th. So it's going to kind of be both. I didn't post a video Friday. I got off and literally just came home and just wanted to just chill, first day off in a while. But anyways, we're going to talk about both those days. Going to try to make it kind of quick because we're pushing 2 days into one. So let me see. Let's set levels for the 29th. We kind of have some levels here. It's actually pretty good levels. We'll keep these. But the 29th, I think I was... I'm gonna say I was like break even. I think I lost $1 maybe. Had a bunch of break even days recently, which I'm okay with that, right? I would like to see. Actually, let me just look this on my phone. Look at my little Weeble calendar. My little Weeble calendar. Also, if you hear my dog in the background, I apologize. He is in my office right now. My girlfriend had a hard day at work, so she is relaxing in the tub. Yeah, with all, like, I'm 72 cents down Friday and today down $1. Both break-even days. But anyways, Friday I shorted at 9:38, kind of an early short. So shorted here. And ended up closing this up here. Alright, we started kind of breaking out of this level. Alright, so this was like a $15 loss for us or something like that. And then I ended up playing a 2 contract trade. Been kind of messing around with 2 contract trades. Really liking how I'm doing them. How they're going for me so far. Shorted at 10:02 and 10:06. So shorted here and then bought another one here at 10:06. And then sold one at 10:07 for like $5 or $6 gain, and held the other one all the way down to over here. So I sold it here. So I've been kind of trading, setting my stop loss, getting out on one, breaking even, or getting out on one for a gain, and then setting my stop loss right about break even, and then as it goes down, moving trailing stop loss down. So did that good there. Ended up making it's like $20 in one trade, so it's just good. We had I bought a call at 11:05. So we see his breakout. Ended up longing this breakout after we retested this level, and then sold this at 11:25. So up here. All right. So that was a good trade for us. And then I think that was it for the 29th. Nope, we got one more. I tried to take another long at 11:48. Tried to long this. This is dumb. I remember being on the phone with Riley. Should have waited for this triple top. But the market was looking good right here. I think if I went back and looked, SPY was trying to break out as well. So I was expecting us to kind of move higher, but we didn't. and I got out for $10 loss. So ended up break even on the day. So not bad. It is what it is. And then today, another good day of trading. First trade was really the only reason we break even. I had a early entry the wrong way, got IV slapped. First trade took at 936. I broke a rule. I entered way too early. I tried to short. Right, I thought we were failing to break above this, one of our short signals here. But we ripped, sold for like $20 loss, right? And then I ended up going long at 944. Alright, so right here, and closed it up here at this lower high. Made back some of those losses. And then I ended up buying a short. I bought 2 contracts at 1007. So right here on this candle. Sold one at 1013. So down here, and then sold the other one at $1 even, or $1 green. So not a bad trade. And then, one second. Milo, come here. Come here, puppies. What you got? My dog is chewing on something. Let's see what he has. Are you chewing up a bill? Spit it out. You know the rules. Thank you. Daggum dog getting into everything. So not a bad trade though. This was like $10 gain or something like that. And then the next one I kind of did the same thing. Bought 2 contracts. I shorted at 1034. So shorted this double top, and then sold one at 1039. So here, and then sold this other one here. If I would have held it, I would have seen a better move, but I just got green. Right, I had my stop loss at break even, so ended up making a couple dollars off that. And then I lottoed a SPY 0 DTE, super small. So kind of a rule breaker, but not really, because it was super tiny. It's like a $15 contract that I set a stop loss for break even on. But I shorted at 1103, right? Wrote out this little fake out, and then we dropped. Right, so this ended up actually bringing us up to break even. I was down 10 bucks at this point, but we were close to break even because of this. So all in all, not bad. I had one bad entry today, which was my opener, which, you know, we're going to improve on that, but the opener was kind of bad. And then other than that, it really wasn't that bad of a day. I kind of wish I didn't take this other call. I should have waited a little bit longer, because then I wouldn't have wasted time with this call, and I could have just went short. But still got $5 out of it. All right. So, but it is what it is. Ended up playing this. Started to see things more of in supply demand zones, right? Because like I figured this would be a double top, and then I sold down to here. This was a triple top, and we came down here, inverse head and shoulders in a demand zone, and then we ended up breaking back out. So we're getting there, but the account was sitting at just a little bit north of 300. Threw a little bit more in to help pad us a little bit, but we're still profitable. We're still chilling, still green in our investment. So we're just little by little, brick by brick. I'm gonna start trying to play these 2 contract plays though. So trying to be more patient on entries, let it go green a little bit, sell one, then set a stop loss or break even, right, or $1 more. It seems like this is a really good way to go. We're making just not a lot of money each trade, but I mean it'll add up eventually, right? If I make 20 bucks a day, right, that's a 30% increase on the account right now, right? So sitting at 300, if I make 20 bucks a day, another $100, we're at 400. Right, so we can just do that little by little. We'll get there. But that's kind of all I have for you guys. The system is still working right. I mean, you see how we use these as support resistances. Well, I'm also starting to look at more supply demand stuff. Right, you can see how this was a kind of a demand zone that turned supply zone. Right, failed to get over it, break down, and we're going to test it again tomorrow. So if we can break above 29.50 tomorrow and snap, we could come up and see 30.25, and then this will be another supply zone. So just going to try to start looking at things like this. It seems like it's working. Been sizing down still, even though I'm taking 2 contract trades. I'll probably start taking one at a time, right? And if we go in the wrong way, but I see that my entry was a little early, I might take another one, or I might just sell. Um, so I'm just getting there. I'm slowly figuring things out, but 3 for 4 on a day. It's not bad, really. Well, 4 for 5 actually, but the first one's killed us. If I wouldn't have taken that first trade, I'd be up 30 bucks today, right? So we're getting there, little by little, but that's all I got for you guys. I appreciate you guys hanging around through this. I'm just excited where we're going to go. I keep talking to Riley and just convincing myself that we're getting where we need to go, but we can't get there if we're not ready, right? So it's like the universe isn't ready for us to be what we really are yet. That's why we got to put the work in and get there. And we're going to get there day by day, little by little. Just keep grinding every day. I'm going to spend a lot of time looking at some plays and just kind of practicing supply demand zones and using the system that Riley has been teaching in terms of just looking at pre-market levels, right, and using those to determine what we're going to do through the day. Because even though this was choppy, you could still make some nice moves. All right, this is a dollar move here, down from this demand zone or supply zone to this demand zone, and then from here up is another dollar move. All right, and then even from here to here is a 80-cent move. All right, even in this chop, and even up here to here is a 90-cent move. So there's money to be made on both sides. I'm just gonna start looking at supply demand and keeping it simple. And I'm slowly becoming more patient just because I'm looking at supply demand. It's just kind of happening that way. So, but I just wanted to make this video for you guys. I hope everyone enjoyed everything. Has enjoyed everything so far. I hope you guys are enjoying all the videos and everything. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to me on Discord or YouTube. As always, our links are down below. My Weeble's down below. Shameless plug time. Please, if you want to swap brokers and come to Weeble, Weeble's commission free, or you are wanting to start day trading, please use my link when you sign up and open an account. We'll both get some free stocks, chance to get Tesla and all that good stuff. So, but yeah, you guys have a great evening. I love you guys. Love all my bread getters, and we'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.